We're here at doing an ocean view, 1027. So we're gonna have a nice higher view. Coming in, nice woodwork. Same thing as the standard as far as storage and closet and refrigerator. A little bit bigger refrigerator, sure. Nice space. Nice toilet and shower. 2 doubles. Nice little breakfast area with chairs. I didn't notice that before, if that's in the other room. Is that chair, were these chairs set up in that standard room?
No, because it had louvers.
It had louvers. Oh, that's right,
That's
the
the only
louvers.
difference in the rooms.
Yeah, it's really nice. I like that. Little breakfast area. And a beautiful view. Lanai. So here's your view. It's the cottages. And look, so you guys have 2 pools. There's another pool out there too, I see, right?
Yeah.
That's nice. Do you see that, Amanda? So there's like an infinity edge pool and then another pool. And the beach is just beautiful.
There's 11 tennis courts and a 3rd pool near the tennis courts.
11, where's that at? On this side of the, out back?
The parking lot.
Parking lot. So there's 11 tennis courts and another pool, so 3 pools. How many restaurants here?
Just one and then an ice cream coffee shop.
1 and an ice cream and coffee shop, and then there one's for rent up there, so they're trying to find somebody.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens there. That might be my opportunity. So there's
nice.
the ocean view. So
And the beach is big.
the beach is beautiful. Yeah. Right, give us a call today. Get you out of your cold home down in Hawaii. Thank you.